If you want to uninstall Microsoft Office 365 because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, and watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Office 365 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft 365 Office. Click on the three dots to open the Office options. Press Uninstall. This will uninstall Microsoft 365 Office and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall again. The Office 365 app and its related data will be uninstalled.